pencil eye. We need some glitters if you want to add gloves, colors, food colors yet. Slime activity, glue, and water. This is a normal water. This is normal water. You don't need to buy it. You can take it from your tap. Here it is. Now, we need a spoon and a cup. Okay. Now, we will add some glue in this cup. I think it's empty. Let's take another bottle of glue. Sorry. Look, we will take this glue yet. Fevicol. Now we add it. We will take this much of glue yet. We will take this much of glue. If you want to take more glue, you can take. Now, we will add some water in it. Equal amount of water and glue. Now, we will mix it. Now, we will need some color, food colors. We will take this color, red color. We'll add it in it. If you want to make a magnetic, so you need a magnetic powder. This is a magnetic powder. Open this, it's this, and then take it into its cap. And we will take this much and pour in it. We close it and take it. Now it will be magnetic. Now, if you want to add some glitter, you can add some glitter of yours. I don't want to add glitter, so I don't add. Now, we will need slime activator. add one drop in it. Add one drop each time. And then mix it. Now we have added this is much aesthetic. See, this is so good and magnetic also. We have some one glittering thing also. This we have to do things. Thank you for watching our. If you want to mix it, you can mix it also, but don't mix it. Thank you for watching our video. See you later. Bye.